channel. It's kind of a chill week compared to like what we've been doing the past couple weeks. Today is a Monday and I went and worked out, did a CrossFit workout at a CrossFit class, and then worked for like 2.5 hours. Came back home and I totally reset the house. So I went like full on washing the cabinets and baseboards and everything around the windows, and I got that accomplished. So the house is reset for the week, but we're going to accomplish those goals this week. Ready to go to lunch with Kyle. So he's at work, but he's wanted to go out to lunch on his lunch break. And I think I'm just gonna put on some bronzer because I love how light this bronzer feels on my skin. And I did find some foundation that I really liked, so I'll show you that. I'm not gonna put on the whole shindig today because I do plan on going to the grocery store, getting an oil change, got some errands to run today, and then coming back and working out because I do not go to CrossFit this morning. So we got a workout to do still later. So not really gonna put on a whole face when I'm just gonna sweat it off anyways. But this really helps if you don't wanna put on a full face. I really love this Physicians Formula Butter Glow. I just found this recently. It's liquid bronzer. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And it smells like the beach. I just love it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face. This just gives like a natural kind of glowy look. And I ran out of self tanner, and my foundation and my bronzer is kind of like a lot more tanner than what I actually am right now, which is okay because I'm working on that tan because we're going to the beach in September. So gonna work on that tan, get out in the sun. It's been like really rainy and stormy here lately, so haven't had much of an opportunity to, but you can't really tell, but it just gives like a glow. It's better in person. I'm also gonna put some of this on my neck since my shirt, my romper, you can kind of see, so that it doesn't look like there's not like a major difference in my skin tone. But yeah, I love this stuff. This stuff is like gold star. It just smells like coconuts. I love that. So, and like, I don't feel like it's really heavy too. It's like really light. And so it doesn't feel like cakey on my skin. It just feels really light and buttery. But usually I wouldn't put this on my chest and neck, but since your girl hasn't put self tanner on in a hot minute, I'm gonna have to, so my face can match my. Anyways, let's see. This is the foundation I've been using. It's the L'Oreal Paris True Match. So good, like, so it blends so well. You don't need a lot of it to cover your face. Looks like your face has a filter. It's amazing. Love that. And then really, usually I put on blush, but we're going very minimal today. So I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows, fill them in a little bit. I'm very low maintenance when it comes to this stuff because, I don't know, I'm gonna sweat it off anyways. So yeah, don't really get too deep into the makeup world. I want to be that girl, but just not gonna happen. Put on some plumping lipstick. So good. And then I'm probably just gonna put on some mascara and call it good. Very natural look for today, just because I'm gonna sweat it out later, so that's fine. And then I just bought this product. Obviously, this is not an ad, not sponsored whatsoever. But this is Pure Zero. I've been using their leave-in conditioner spray, but I got this curl defining cream last week, and I've been using it. Oh my gosh, so good. If you have wavy and curly hair, highly recommend this. I like to put it in my hair when it's technically not hair wash day, but my curls just kind of need a little rejuvenation after working out and working and kind of just going on with the week. And so I'll just get like a generous amount and kind of scrunch my hair a little bit, and it will curl. And so yeah, that's that. That's my quick little makeup hair routine. I do have a more in-depth like routine, but that's when I have more time on my hands. But yeah, so it's really humid where we live, so the humidity really makes my curls when it dries. This outfit with my white tennis shoes, they're like crocheted on the side from Altered State. So I love to wear these with this outfit. I just think it's super cute. So I'm gonna put my shoes on and head to lunch. Hey guys, this is the final fit. May not be everybody's thing, but that's okay. I really just like this. It's like a little bit loose. It looks cuter in person, I promise, but this is the final fit. Super, super cute. Comfy, cozy, ready to run errands. Thrifted 70s glasses. I think they're 70s looking anyways. Anyways, this is the fit. We're gonna go get some lunch. After all that errand running, we are finally home. It is 3:36 p.m., so a little later than usual, but the sunshine is gonna be hitting in our garage soon, so it's just gonna feel so good to get like a nice sweaty workout in. But I wanted to give you guys a little grocery haul. I recommend this brand, Poppy. Olipop's really good too. I feel like they're the same thing. So I got 4 of those. These are just really good prebiotic sodas. They're just a great replacement, and the ingredients are so good in this. I don't get these at the store. We order these through our gym, but it's the Element electrolyte drinks. These we put with our water. I like to put my packet with a 32-ounce water because, I don't know, it's not too salty, but it's not like too watery. And the raspberry one is our favorite, and I also like to put like a lemon in there. It just makes drinking the water easier to get it down. And these have magnesium, potassium, natural flavors, and it's sweetened with stevia leaf extract. So it's not sweetened with sucralose or anything bad like that. They're these organic, sparkling probiotic drink. So this is not something I drink every day, but something I drink. I need more cinnamon, olive oil, raw honey. We like to eat this with protein waffles. Instead of using syrup, I use honey because I just think it's healthier. And then some more organic kombucha, which, by the way, is so good. I've never been a kombucha girl, but I drank one of these on the way home and it's so good. Then I got some avocado ranch dressing, avocados, some Birchland bite-sized potatoes, protein waffles, blue corn chips, tomatoes, protein snack with cheese. Lots and lots of fruit, starting off with blackberries, kiwi, blueberries, strawberries. We like to make strawberry poppy seed salad, so I like to have those on hand. Spinach for the salad, broccoli, asparagus, tortellini. This is the recipe that I made in one of my recent YouTube videos. That is literally so easy and good. Chicken breast tenderloins. These are the best to put in the air fryer. Breakfast sausage links for the mornings. I like to meal prep those so that I can just grab them out of the fridge and reheat them for Kyle. And then 96% lean, 4% fat, extra lean ground beef. Usually I get grass-fed, but I don't know why I didn't get it this time. And then pork chops, which aren't the healthiest meat to get, but it's something different than just chicken. And of course, whole milk for lattes. So that was my little grocery haul. Next week I'll give you guys a little Trader Joe's haul, but this video should be up before then. But we're gonna put all this stuff away. I'm gonna change into my workout clothes, and we're gonna get a nice, good body weight workout in on this lovely Thursday before Kyle comes home, and then I'll start making dinner. Cute. We're gonna go with the purple stuff today. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, she is such a diva. So good. Don't you eat anything. Get down. Good girl. Dinner is served.